36 is recorded back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, no reading, talking, walking around, sleeping, driving, and smoking. When your name is called, please unmute your mic is muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Manny Reynolds, ticket number SP 114093. Count 1, violation of restricted license. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and ticket number SP 1338057. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor, and then ticket number SP 1338056. Count 1, careless driving. Good morning, please say your name.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki on behalf of Ms. Reynolds.
Yes,
Say your name, Ms. Reynolds.
Matsy Louise Reynolds.
All right, Officer McCree, can you say your name?
Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865, Traffic Enforcement Unit.
All right. I don't know what happened to, we just had Officer Robinson. I don't know what happened.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Oh, there you are. Okay, say your name, sir.
Good morning, Officer Willie Robinson, badge 2590, Detroit Police.
Your Honor, the people have made a recommendation to my client. Count 1 would be amended. I'm sorry. The no insurance is going to be amended to improper plates, and careless driving would be amended to 1 to 5 over. The other matters are being dismissed, and my client's waiving her rights, asking court to adopt that.
All right, so raise your right hand, Ms. Reynolds.
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes,
All right, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Roki, in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
well, I didn't think so, Your Honor, but yes.
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
Well, I didn't think I was reckless, and I didn't, am I like my,
So are you saying you want to go to trial?
no, I don't want to go through all that, no.
Did you
So
have
are you-
insurance? Did you have insurance on that date, ma'am?
No, I didn't. That's, to me,
Excellent.
it was my only offense.
The other counts are responsible, please, so.
All right. Thank you, Ms. Shiroki. You, so you're pleading because you're actually guilty as far as the no insurance misdemeanor.
Yes, ma'am.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to September 11, 2022 at 6:47 p.m. on that date and time when you at near Jefferson and Sheridan in the city of Detroit.
yes,
Were you driving a 2005 Dodge vehicle?
yes, ma'am.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No, I didn't.
You're satisfied, Mr. Roki?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, court satisfied, will amend that count to improper plates. You stipulate to probable cause as the ticket number P 1338056.
So stipulated.
All right, that count is amended to speeding 1 to 5. You stipulate to probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed without prejudice.
So stipulated.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. So there's a $200 fine for the no insurance, and then there's a $125 fine for the careless driving. So it's a total of $325. Normally with the civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay it, but I just think it's easier to pay everything at once. So I will give you till March 23rd. I'm sorry, March 21st to pay the total fine.
Okay,
All right, any questions?
no, just, so how long do the points stay against my license?
1 to 5 is,
No, it's 2 or 3 years the points stay on.
So that's only one?
Yes, 1 point.
Okay.
Thank you. You're all
How much
set.
for old in total?
325.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're all set.
All right, thank
All
you.
right, we got Michael Robbins. Ms. Horn, did you want me to put Ms. Simmons in a breakout room?
Yes, Your Honor. She can go in the room with Officer Chandler, Your Honor. Okay, thank you. And I'll be right back. I just got to do one offer.
Are you ready on Michael Robinson?
I never got a chance to speak to him, but Mr. Robinson? Can you hear me? There's a mute button next to your name, a red microphone. Can you hit that?
Okay,
Okay, so you have a ticket for disorderly conduct for drinking in public.
yes,
Either you can come back to a trial date, or if you want to resolve it today, they would give you a delayed sentence. You stay out of trouble, pay the fine.
Today is the trial date. The
Oh, it
officer
is?
here. Yeah.
Okay, sir, they're offering you a delayed sentence. So if you stay out of trouble and pay the fine, it would get dismissed in 90 days. Otherwise, we would go to trial this morning.
okay. How much is the fine?
$200. It could be up to 500, but normally the judge charges 200, and she would give you time to pay if you needed it.
Yes, I need time.
You want to take the offer then?
Yes, ma'am.
We're ready, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Michael Robinson, ticket number U638-33522. Count one, consume alcohol in public. Good morning, please say your name, or disorderly conduct. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Assistant Chief Saunders.
Your Honor, Assistant Chief Patrick Saunders, Wayne State Police, badge 5-1.
Your Honor, Colleen Stroke on behalf of the defendant. Say your name, sir.
Michael Robinson.
Your Honor, the people have made an offer of a delayed sentence to my client. He's waiving his rights, asking court to adopt that.
Sorry.
All right, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney in private, or you've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of September 12th, 2022 at 10:25 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Second and Selden in the city of Detroit?
yes,
And did you consume alcohol in public?
yes,
You're satisfied, Ms. Roki?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission and will proceed to sentencing. This is a 3-month delayed sentence, Mr. Robinson, so you have 3 months to pay your fine of $200.
okay,
You come back on your next court date, which is August 21st at 8:35. That's your next court date. Make sure you pay the fine and you don't get any more tickets. If you don't
okay,
get any tickets, you pay the fine. This will be dismissed off your record. You understand that, sir?
yes. I have one question.
Yes, sir.
If I paid the ticket before the 21st, is that okay?
You can pay it before
Okay.
August 21st, but
Okay.
we're still gonna come back on that date because the court wants to just make sure for the next 3 months, you don't get any tickets and you just do everything you're supposed to do,
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
okay? All
Yeah,
right,
I
any
can
other
do that.
questions? Okay,
Nope,
great.
I'm all set. Thank you.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
All right.
Assistant-
Thank you.
Officer Robinson, I think you are all set, sir. Unless we got you on something else. No, you're all set, Officer Robinson. Are we ready?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
We're,
You're
Your
on
Honor,
that. Officer Robinson, did you have something else?
Yes, ma'am. We have Dennis Daughtry, that trial.
Oh, that's at 1:30. That's at 1:30.
Okay, yeah, my subpoena says 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it should.
It's
I'm
1:30?
sorry, it's at 1:30.
Okay, thank you.
So just, I'm sorry, sir, just come back at 1:30.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, this is the people versus Shawana McCullough, ticket number X41044901. Count 1, reckless driving. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Ms. McCullough.
Say your name.
Shawana McCullough.
Your Honor, I've been speaking to Ms. Cole about that. The trooper has been present this morning. They are requesting an adjournment, and we're not objecting. I just want the file to a note that it's people's request.
Okay, you understand that the offer was due care and caution, waste utility road vehicle, which is 2 points.
And I relayed that to my client, and she would prefer to go with the adjournment. Correct, Ms. McCullough?
Yes.
All right. So we'll adjourn to March 3rd at 9 o'clock. March 3rd at 9 o'clock will be the adjournment.
Thank you.
Mr. Roki, can I talk to you in the breakout room?
Sure.
Tap your screen and rejoin your room.